They have to think through the box. Na wamekubali kwamba they sponsor the induction. In the induction they have said, you'll be trained, you'll have breakfast, tea, you'll have lunch, and no. Not necessarily supper, but they'll make sure you have gotten fare going home. CBF, thank you, congratulations. And I've seen other pension. Sasa nini, fikiria, ni nini mtazafanya. Lakini already these guys, they're ahead of you. Congratulations. I think you're good partners. Thank you. You have been forthcoming in many of these things, including even Love Fund. You have been helping us in small way, and we appreciate. But for CPF, congratulations. Here is your flock. Kwa hivyo endelea kusabu wao. Sio itakuwa mzuri? Watu wasome, wakule, wakunywe, waende nyumbani. Ama vipi? Ndio. It is important to know that those teachers who are over 50 years could not meet the criteria for absorption into permanent and pensionable terms, but all is not lost. I'll give direction what to be done. Kwa hivyo wale mko miaka 50 kuelekea juu, hata mimi in another 10 years I know I'll be there. Tutahakikisha kwamba kwa hiyo miaka 10 mko kazi, mtafurahia kuwa kazini. Sawa? Nitapeana direction hapo. In recognition or in organizing their commitment in service delivery at our ECDE centers, I hereby ask the Public Service Board to consider retaining the services of the teachers who have attained 50 years and above on contract terms on renewable basis. Kwa hivyo hata hawa wako kwa contract, lazima you must consider them as a board. Kwa hizo terms and conditions za hawa wengine. Sasa sababu wamefundisha, sasa miaka imefika, what do? We must be able to accept it. Kwa hivyo chairman, with your team, kindly look into the issue, confirm these guys on the contract and your twende mbele.